Hey everyone, one of the quickest and easiest ways to get more fruits and vegetables into your diet is to drink them. Here's something that I like to make for me and Mr. Temptations almost every single morning. I'm gonna start with, of course, Chobani, and I like the 0 sugar. All right, I'm gonna add about a half a cup, and then into that yogurt, I'm gonna actually add some blueberries, I'm gonna add some raspberries, I'm gonna add some blackberries. Honestly, any fruit that you have on hand is gonna absolutely be perfect. Now that I've added in the fruit, I have a couple other things that I like to add as a little special twist. So this smoothie is not just about fruit, it's also about vegetables as well. So I have a little kale here. Super secret, ultimate in vitamins and all the good stuff is a little ginger and a little turmeric. I'm gonna add a little water and we're gonna blend this. Here we go. What I love about using the Vitamix is that, of course, you can get everything emulsified. All right, look who joined me, Mr. Temptations. I'm telling you, every time I make this, he loves it. You want to grab yours, honey? So I'm putting in these glasses because, you know, we're fancy. We're fancy like that. Ready? This is the shake I make him almost every morning.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, that is so good. What do you think?
It's really good.
Really good, right?
Yeah.
Fruits, vegetables, a little turmeric. So many great things in here. I'm telling you, try this. It is delicious. It's Mr. Temptations approved.
Delicious.